Hello guys, welcome back with regular talent exhibitions. Today we will tell you guys about one of our fields, that is speech. Okay, without further ado, let's start today RT. So guys, do you know what is speech? Basically, a speech refers to an informal or formal talk given to an audience. Giving a speech allows you to address a group of people to express your thoughts and oftentimes your opinion. You can find speech in many different environments and with many different purposes. Did you know what a speech is also one of the most popular fields in English competitions, guys? Amazing, right? And to win a competition, we'd have to practice, and practice. Of course, because practice makes perfect. So guys, I have some tips and tricks that you guys can try to better your speech. First is to know your audience. Give your presence, your personality time and space to work on the audience. Keep eye contact, be quiet and watch their reactions. Second is to read the speech aloud. Memorizing your speech can help improve your delivery and make it sound more natural. Third is to enjoy yourself. Choose a topic on something that is important to you and that you feel passionate about. Last but not least, relax, breathe, and stretch before taking the stage. Pause for a few seconds, smile, and count to 3 before speaking. Next, I have some don'ts during your speech. Hear me out, because this might be helpful. First, please avoid having a low energy. You are supposed to deliver something, so keep it up, so your audience can feel it too. Next is making an excuse or apology. Making an excuse or an apology sets a negative tone and gives people a reason to think your presentation was underwhelming. Last is to talk too fast. Your purpose is not to talk, but to give impact. You have to mean every word and sense your energy with your tone. So that's it guys. How was it guys? Did today's RTE light a fire in your heart to start preaching? I'm sure many of you have a passionate message to share. And who knows, maybe you are the next president talking in front of your country. Anyway, that was today RT. I hope you enjoy and see you on the next one. Bye!